G'day guys, hope you're all well. Hey, yeah, Trader Cobb here. Hope you had a good weekend too. Finally, something happened on a Sunday. It wasn't positive, but it wasn't positive for the overall market if you're a holder, but we got some direction at least. And I wanted to take you through a couple of things and how you might actually play out this most recent move down. On the week, before the weekend, I talked on my market view about this consolidation. Sorry, not about the consolidation. About if we broke above, I'd look for longs. If we broke below, I'd look for shorts. It's obviously broken short. No trades as of yet. What are we waiting for? Well, we're waiting to see if we bounce off 6,500. Realistically, we might bounce off there, we might not. But right now, the selling has come back in a pretty big way, and I'm waiting to see if there's a bounce. A bounce on what time frame? Well, right now, there's a long way to pull back for the 4 hour, so we naturally move down through the time frames. The 1 hour is looking pretty good here. You can add things in like Fibonacci. You can trade the Fibonacci booster strategy that I use if you know what that is. But you can see here, back in around that $7,000 mark would be a pretty sweet little level there. Looking on the 2 hour as well. So it's just about going to those lower time frames, looking for your opportunity. But if you don't know what you're looking for, it's probably best to stay out. Now, as we're seeing here across the board, we're seeing a bit of a bounce coming in now. Not a huge one. It's obviously coming off some support here for Ethereum, and the market has looked a bit overextended. Yes, I'm still short my hedge from way back here, stop above here, so I'm pretty cool with how things are going. And again, if I just have a look here, it's been a bit of a bounce here on Bitcoin Cash. Here's the sort of thing I'm looking for. Well, let's see if there's one here. From there, probably here is the next level. And we don't have anything clustering there, but we do have it pulling back into that region, looking for cradle trades up into those points would be the sort of thing I am looking for. Good convergence there. So it's really a time now that if you are an active trader, if you do know what you're doing, if you have some structured rules and strategies, now is the time to be very much alert, looking for those short opportunities for the continuation of that trend. Do keep in mind that Bitcoin has 6,500 coming in. Until we break that level, I'm not too much looking for a trade unless we pull back nicely. That's where the opportunities lie. Pull back on what time frame? Well, that depends on the strategy. It depends on the trend you're trading. My point of view is this: if you know what you're doing as a trader, now's a great time. You just got to wait a little bit. Be patient. If you don't know what you're doing, then it's probably best to just stay out. Okay, if you don't have the experience, if you don't have the skills, if you don't have the structure and trading strategies, if you don't know how to go short, I say it again and again and again, you need to learn it, guys. You really do need to learn it. If you can only make money in the market going up, then you've had a very tough year. I don't want you to have a tough year. The whole point of TraderCobb.com is to educate and empower you to help you to understand what you're doing and to be a better trader. So if you want to have a look at it, jump across to TraderCobb.com. You can see a bunch of free stuff there, but go and have a look at the courses if that's the sort of thing you're after, because that's the only way you're going to get your education, guys. Look, it's not going to change my life if you do or you don't. It might change yours if you do. Consider that. Have a great day, and yeah, if you're on the public holiday, which I'm about to be again, enjoy it. Bye for now.